Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae lovers are celebrating as the Marleys released Set Up Shop Volume 4. The compilation album from Ghetto Youths International consists of 21 tracks featuring some of their best reggae releases from several of the biggest names in reggae music. This includes tracks from the Marleys, talking about Junior, Stephen, Joe Mercer, Julian, Rohan, and guests, of course, Kabaka Pyramid, Caputan, Chronix, Christopher Ellis, Black I Am, Yami Bolo, Salam Remy, and Third World. Set Up Shop Volume 4, available on all streaming platforms, features Kabaka Pyramid featuring Damien Marley's Contraband Volume 2, of his critically acclaimed Immaculate mixtape, as well as a first-time collaboration by Caputan and Yami Bolo, produced by Damien Marley. In addition, a new track from the Grammy winner Marley himself, Life is a Circle, his only release for 2020.
Life is a circle that goes round and round. Mine's not a circus, and I'm not your clown.
Set Up Shop Volume 4 represents a selection of the label's mega releases over the years by Ghetto Youths International, the record label founded by Bob Marley's sons and musicians, Damien, Stephen, and Julian Marley. Now, is Macca Diamond going into the church? The artist's social media pages have recently been overtaken by posts showing Macca Diamond praying and fasting. In one post, she stated that this was all in an effort to clean up dancehall's female fraternity. And in this post, we see her praying by the side of the road, which she tagged "Keep Prayed Up." However, this post showing the artists in a crucifix position with the caption, quote, "Them no stop crucifying me like Jesus, them a wicked hard, but a prayers me use and set me free," was heavily criticized as a mockery of the faith. E Prime posed a question to Macca Diamond on her post and lifestyle change.
For 2021, it's all about being close to God, pray to Him again, ask Him for what I want, because Him always has blessed me. And maybe all of the things I'm going to go through for the past couple of years is because I did, I remember one time I used to pray to Him and I said to Him, so I promise that I'm going to pray every day if you continue to bless me. So I'm going to go back on that track.
Macca Diamond added that she is currently in her 14-day fasting and is looking forward to her upcoming Sweet 16. Macca Diamond started out in dancehall back in the 80s. The DJ launched her clothing line, Missy Macadocious, in November. She has teamed up with renowned Jamaican Vogue featured fashion designer Rosemary Macklin. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.